How to play with friends in chess.com app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily play with your friends in the chess.com app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your chess.com app and then here tap on play. Then here tap on play a friend. And here you get the option of send challenge link, find friends and invite friends. So if you tap on send challenge link, here you can customize the time, here you can change the type, and here you can turn on or off rated game. Now after you have selected, tap on create link and you can copy this link and share it to your friends, or you can just here tap on share and you can share directly through any of these apps. Now if you go back, and here is the option of find friends. So if you tap on it, here you can find your Facebook friends, you can send invite or send challenge link, or you can play with any of the friends that are online now. Here you will see them here. And if you want to invite friends, you can also invite them. So if you tap here on invite friends, you can share a link via Facebook, WhatsApp and all of these apps. And so this is how you can play with friends in chess.com app. Thanks for watching.